Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into AI literacy and the importance of using AI ethically and responsibly. I want to introduce to you a practical approach called the HAIH model, or HAIH model.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Which stands for Human AI Human. This model helps us think of AI as a collaborative partner, not just a shortcut for answers. Here's how it breaks down. Human. Start with your own ideas to guide the AI. AI. Engage AI to generate ideas and provide fresh perspectives. Human. Take what the AI offers and refine it with your own critical thinking and creativity. This process leverages the best of both worlds, human insight and AI's capabilities, to get better, more meaningful outcomes. Let's dive into this a bit deeper. Step 1. As a human, set your purpose and guide AI intentionally. This is where you take a lead by asking clear questions and setting specific goals. Think of it as shaping the conversation so that AI gives you relevant and useful responses. Step 2. Collaborate with AI to expand your ideas. In this phase, AI helps brainstorm, generate ideas, and approach problems from different angles. It's about letting AI enhance your initial thoughts, not replace them. Step 3. Adjust and refine the output with critical thinking. Now it's back to you. While AI can provide impressive responses, it's your judgment that ensures the results are logical, accurate, and aligned with your purpose. Challenge assumptions, double-check facts, and use your expertise to take the output to the next level. Speaking of accuracy, fact-checking is essential. AI doesn't always get things right, so for anything important, make sure to verify the information against trusted sources. This builds both credibility and confidence in your work. One of the coolest things about working with AI is the refinement process. AI's first response is rarely perfect. It's a starting point. By rephrasing your questions or iterating on the output, you can guide AI toward more detailed and nuanced results that meet your needs. Remember, AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. AI can amplify your productivity, but it doesn't have lived experience or emotional insight. That's where your expertise makes all the difference. Like any system, AI can have limitations and biases. It's important to review its output for fairness, accuracy, and inclusiveness. Responsible use of AI means applying a thoughtful, human lens to everything it produces. Over time, you will realize that AI collaboration is a learning process. The more you work with it, the better it gets in understanding your style and needs. It's like building a feedback loop that enhances your results over time. So keep this in mind. AI doesn't replace human expertise, it enhances it. The HAIH model is all about creating a balanced, impactful partnership between you and AI. Thanks for watching. If you're curious to learn more about AI in education, don't forget to check out the recommended resources linked in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you all in the next video.